Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to Loft Learning Tutorials. So today we're gonna kickstart the C++ tutorials. So let's go ahead and create a project. So I'm using Red Studio C++ Builder, C++ Builder 11. Okay. So here it's just gonna continue. Okay. So to get started, I'm just gonna include some few header files. Such as iostream, and conio.h. conio.h, and using namespace std. Using namespace std. So here we have our main function, which is where the program starts to execute. So I'm just gonna cout. So the cout, so iostream allows us to do the cout. This is the output of the ostream, input, output stream. Okay, what did we do now? Control Z and do. Okay, so that is what the cout allows us to do. And without using namespace std, I'll show you after. Let me quickly type and say I'll show you that. Hello, welcome to Loft Learning. Okay. And then this is simply having a new line. And then okay, so I'm going to include this function here, sketch, which is basically for the black screen. And let's debug. Let's run. Compiling, linking. Where's my black screen? No. And then we're here. Welcome to Loft Learning. So this is basically it. Okay, let me just disable Avast for the duration of this tutorial. So Avast Shells control. Let me just save for now, and then yeah. So basically this is it. So like I said, without this, the screen won't be cached. Catch and stuff like that. You see, it went and disappeared. So alternatively, I can say system pause. And the screen will now stay. Press any key to continue. Okay, so like I said, if you don't want to use this using namespace std, you're gonna get an error here. And in order to continue, you're just gonna say std. Now it will work. see. So basically, using names std, it specifies. So let's go ahead and alright. So right now we did this, we did the basics, you're getting them. So let's move on and include the inputs and some data types, some few data types as well. So there is this data type that I'm going to use here, which is basically for name and stuff. Let's say h include string. Is it string.h or okay, it's string.h. And let's go. Okay. Hello. Please enter hello. Please enter your name. Please enter your name. Please enter your name. And then cin. For input, this is how they are. And then there is an error here. The error being it doesn't recognize this thing. So in order for it to recognize it, we are going to declare it as a variable. And then this will be a string type for names, name of objects, those type of things. So string name. Okay, it's a capitals. Yeah, here is just a string only. Including string.h means this one will be a capital H. Alright. So cin name, and then after that cout So this is essentially the same as, it does the same thing as this one. This and this, they do the same thing, which is going to the new line. That's system and line, and then so let's just simply add two numbers. Enter number, and then in here let's declare other variable which will be integers, int num1, num2. So is it okay? Essentially what I did here is, these are two variables right here, so it's essentially the same as this. It's essentially the same as this, but I prefer if keeping it like this, making the code symbol. Okay. And enter number means cin num1, and then cout enter num2, second number, enter second number, and then you enter that second number, and then on your line cin num2, and then you are done entering the numbers. So we must perform some basic mathematics on it. So what we're gonna do is simply you're gonna say cout on a new line, right? The numbers you have entered. Ne? Okay. No, let's not jump into that. Let's say name, basically displaying the name that you have entered here. Let's say name, the numbers you have, the sum of numbers you have entered. Entered is so here we can say num1 plus num2, right? It will give us the correct output. Somewhere, somehow it will give us the correct output. So let's quickly run it. Hello, please enter your name. Let's say Lofk. Enter number. Let's say I'm entering 2. Enter second number. Let's say I'm entering 2. Lofk, the sum of numbers you have entered is 4. See. So where did I make enter? Enter second number. So here we didn't make any space. Alright, so I wanted to show you something, right? Hello, please enter your name, enter number. This is where I wanted to show you. So let's just say I'm entering, then we enter 3. So this is what I wanted to show you. Here is this number that you are entering will be in the same line as the output here, right? Whereas here I did say end line, going to the next line here before I display the message that you should enter the second number, and then after displaying that message I'm going to the new line, and then in that new line, that's why you enter num2. Here I didn't go into the new line, so I'm just showing you that I did it on purpose to show you that, guys, that. So when we enter 2, the sum will be 5. Loft, the sum of the numbers you have entered is 5. And here I didn't go to the next line. I planned on cancelling that system pause and using my catch. So yeah, guys, this is just the basics of it, and the variables and inputting stuff. So in the next tutorial we'll look into more variables and stuff like that. Variables such as double, float, we'll look into them, the char, the bool. Okay, bool, I'll touch on bool when we do the loop, when we do if statements and loops. So yeah, watch out for the next tutorial. It will be within the next few hours or so. Ciao.